Y'all, hey, it's me, Simply Just C, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these really cute and easy goddess braids on my natural hair without needing to pull out any strands of hair to achieve that curly look. If you would like to see the technique that I use, keep on watching. So I started out on freshly washed, conditioned, and blow-dried hair before I started this process. I used this three-sided mirror from Amazon. Y'all, this mirror really helped me big time with parting my hair, especially in the back. I will link it in the description bar, as well as every single product you see in this video will be linked. So I went ahead and I started my braids out in the back. And I just did my best, y'all. The parts were definitely not perfect, but that is okay. I did my best and I parted my hair on down. So I used my favorite moisturizer, which is the Camille Rose Moisture Milk, the Curl Love Moisture Milk. And then I used this slick stick to kind of do exactly what it says, slick my hair before I braided it. Now, what I love about this slick stick is that it doesn't revert my hair. So it doesn't make my hair wet and make my curl pop back out. It helps it to maintain its dried, blow-dried state. So I just put a little bit of that slick stick at the root, and then I part down and proceed from there to braid the hair on down. And then here in this clip, you can see how we're looking in the back. I definitely did my best. The parts aren't perfect, but honey, that is okay. Now, as far as the braiding, I braided to about maybe it was half an inch left of hair. But yeah, I pretty much braided my hair all the way down to about a half an inch of hair remaining. So one more time, I'm going to briefly show the hair prep. So I use my Camille Rose Curl Milk, and I moisturized the section of hair that I'm about to braid. Then I use that slick stick just to kind of slick down any flyaways or get any frizz that might be at the root of my hair. And then from there, I just part it and braid it on down. Again, I braid the hair down till it's about maybe half an inch left worth of hair. And I'll show you what we're going to do to that little bottom part of hair in a moment. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then here you can see I have the back done and then one side. So once I finish the back, I just parted my hair down the middle, and then I braided up one side, and then I'll proceed to go ahead and braid up the other side. All right, here is the next day, and I'm all done braiding my hair. My hair kind of has like a little bend in it because of how I slept, but that's okay. So now I'm going to take my favorite mousse, which is by The Dew. This is The Dew Most Def texture foam, and all I'm going to do is apply that to the ends of the hair, so the part that we did not braid down, and I'm just going to apply a decent amount to each piece and then just curl it, coil it, I should say, around my finger. So just coil it around my finger, and then that's going to give me that curl. And while we're here, let me use this little section right here to show you the hair that I'm going to add to my hair to get those curly pieces. Again, I will link it. Now, this is human hair, so I wanted to go ahead and cleanse the hair first. So you're seeing here, I'm showing you just a clip of me doing the apple cider vinegar rinse. I will include my video on how to do the apple cider vinegar rinse, so you'll know how to do it if you don't already know. But yes, the day before, I did cleanse the hair just to clean it and remove any smell and, things like that. So yep, that's it. I'm just curling the ends of my hair with the mousse. Alright, you all, so it is the next day. I have gone ahead and used my favorite mousse, which is by The Dew, the Mousse Def. And I went ahead and put it on my end so I can get some little curls jumping off. And now I'm ready to apply the curly pieces. So this is the hair after the apple cider vinegar rinse. And I did add conditioner to it like I mentioned earlier. And this is how it's looking. Still kind of has that hair smell to it, but that's okay. Now, I went ahead and did one piece off camera. Look at that! Ah, that's too cute. I did one piece off camera because I wanted to make sure I had it down before I came back on camera. But yeah, there's the added hair, and then there's my little curly end. So super cute already. So let me show you what I did. Super easy, y'all. So this hair happens to come on these little clips, which is no big deal. So all I'm doing is taking the hair. There's a little clip. And I'm just going to take my scissors and go straight up and cut it. So let me do like that so you guys can see. Just going to cut it, right, which leaves it like this. And then from there, to get the hair, all I'm going to do is take the little piece that I cut and go right where the weft is. Right, go right to the weft and cut going across the weft, just like that. And I have a little piece. So for some of these, I'm going to put the added hair more towards the top, and some I'm going to add more towards the bottom. This first one I did more towards the top, and since this one is also in the front, I'm going to do it at the top as well. So I'm going to do is take my crochet hook closed. I'm going to go push it up through my braid. Now it's in the braid. I'm going to take the hair, latch it onto the end of the hook, close the hook, pull it through. While I pull it through, you notice I still kept one piece in my hand of the hair as I pulled the other piece through. So now it's through the hair. I have a piece on each side of the braid. Now all I'm going to do is take it, those two pieces of the added hair, and make a knot. Okay, I'm just taking those two pieces and I just made a knot. I'm going to pull it taut through my braid, and there we go. And now I have another piece added. Ah, it's cute. Now later, oh, it's starting to look cute, y'all. And then later on, I will take my mousse and go over those curly pieces just to kind of set them. I'll also go through with my scissors, and any like really thin pieces at the bottom, I'll go ahead and cut those out. So I'm going to speed this up. I might show a little bit more of me putting these in, but that's literally all I'm going to do. Again, I'm just going to take the hook closed, push it through the braid, take my piece of hair, not this thick, I'm just showing it for now, put the hair on the end of the hook. I'm going to pull it through the braid, holding one end of the hair as I pull it through the braid. Take off the hook. Now this would be in the braid, and then I'm simply going to tie those two pieces taut on the braid, and that's it. All right, so I'm going to show a little bit more of me doing that, and I think that's pretty much it. Now I'll come back to you guys at the end with some more tips and things like that. So that is how I achieved these beautiful, super cute goddess mini braids on my natural hair without having to pull any of my hair out. No. We did not have to do that braiding, pulling out some hair, braiding, pulling out some hair. No. My hair is 100% self-contained and protected within these braids. And honey, your girl's hair is done for the next 3 weeks, okay? This added hair really did well with the process of me crocheting it in. It did very well. It's beautiful. I think it blends well with my hair, and it just, in my opinion, looks really nice. The mousse, I did add mousse to the added hair. The mousse just gave it a nice firmness. They're still soft, but it gave it more uniform. It's a lot more uniform and firmer, so I know these curls are going to last a while. this whole style, you might be wondering how long did this take. It took me about 6.5 hours to braid the hair, and then today it took me about 2 hours to add the added hair. So would I do this style again? Yes, absolutely, because I think it's gorgeous. But next time I would definitely do bigger braids, bigger parts, because it just took way too long. But I do love it, and like I said, my hair is done for 3 weeks. It's so versatile, you all. I can do so many styles. Half up, it's cute, half down, all in a ponytail. Like when I go to the gym, this will all go up in a ponytail, put a little sweatband around my edges and call it a day. And yeah, I love it, you all. It's so pretty. Now you might be wondering how to maintain it. So at night, I'm just going to put it in a hairnet. This is the hairnet that the added hair came with. So I'm just going to put my hair in a hairnet just to kind of keep it contained, and then I'll put my silk scarf, or if you have a bonnet, you could put your bonnet on top and go to bed. That's it. How do you maintain the curls? As it gets a little dry or the curls get a little unruly, just add some more of your mousse to it throughout the week. You're good to go. As far as keeping my hair healthy and protected, I'll spray it with water here and there just to keep some moisture in it. I'll add my moisture milk, my Camille Rose moisture milk throughout the week here and there as I need it. Not every day, not at all, but as I need it. And I'll even add my oil to my scalp just to keep my scalp and my hair healthy as I have these in. Now, removal is super easy. You won't have to worry about those tangles that you would get if we were pulling out our own hair in the process. I couldn't even imagine taking that down. I couldn't even imagine taking that down. No, this is super simple. You have 2 ways you could do it. You could take the added hair and cut it and then begin to unravel the braid, or do like I'm going to do, which is simply just unravel the braid, you know, comb it out, unravel it, comb it out, and then as I get to the added hair, it's just gonna fall out anyway. So very simple to take it out, and it should be pretty easy to maintain. All the items I use, from the hair to the oil, the mousse, the curl milk, everything I used in this video will be in the description bar, so definitely check it out. I did like this hair. It performed well, and there's no itch to my scalp. I have very sensitive skin and scalp, and that apple cider vinegar rinse definitely help. Again, I'll pin it, so if you're not sure how to do that, you can go watch that video. It's a quick video. It's like 6 minutes. I get you in, I get you out, honey, okay? Other than that, thank you so much for joining me. Leave me a like on this video, especially if you learned a new technique or you enjoyed it. And if you like this type of content on my channel, I do natural hair, fashion videos here and there. If you like stuff like that, then this is your channel, honey. Go ahead and click subscribe and come on over to the C Crew. I would love to have you. Other than that, I will catch you all in another video. Bye.